Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix iPhone not updating on iOS 18. It's showing unable to update. So if you're also facing this kind of issue on your iPhone when you try to update your iPhone to the latest iOS 18 stable update. So in this video, I will show you how you can fix that. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. First of all, you need to close that update section. Okay, after closing the update section, you need to open iPhone settings again. Okay, showing here as you can see. Tap on iPhone settings. After tapping on iPhone settings, you need to tap on general. Okay, after tapping the general, you need to tap on iPhone storage and make sure you have enough space to install iOS 18 stable update. If you don't have any space in your iPhone, just make some space and then try to install it again. Okay, if that method not working and you are still facing the same problem, then move to the next solution. The next solution is check your iPhone internet connection. Okay, make sure you are connected with strong Wi-Fi when you try to update your iPhone to the latest iOS 18 stable update. Okay, if you're connected with strong Wi-Fi and you are still facing the same issue, then move to the next solution. The next solution is turn off your iPhone and then turn it on after 5 to 10 seconds. It will fix your issue. If that method is also not working, then move to the next solution. The next solution is open iPhone settings. Okay, and make sure you are not connected with any VPN. If you're connected with any VPN, just remove the VPN and then try to install again iOS 18 stable update. If that method is also not working and you're still facing the same problem, then move to the last solution. The last solution is force to restart your iPhone. Press volume up button, then press volume down button and press the power button until you see the Apple logo appears on your iPhone screen and your iPhone is forced to restart. After force to restart, you install iOS 18 in your iPhone, it will 100% install. After watching this video and follow that simple step, you can easily fix that your iPhone not installing iOS 18 and it's showing unable to install. Hope this video is helpful for you. If the video is helpful for you, don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos notifications. Thanks for watching.